Hey guys, I am Atul. Welcome to my channel, Keeping Up with Atul. Those who are new in this place, welcome to my channel. I post videos about travel, food, and lifestyle. So I hope you enjoy the video and please like and subscribe. Today is the Ramadan last day. This is our last iftar. Tonight it's gonna be Chandra. Gotta go pick up my mom, then I gotta go to the gym. My trainer's not giving me a day off. I cannot work out tomorrow because of Eid, so he scheduled it today. I just quickly ate some food. You know, when you're hungry, you haven't ate the entire day. You want to eat like almost everything. You become a monster. So I'm the double monster. Gotta work out. Too fat. Yeah, didn't much, but I still feel full. But I got the whole night to eat, and tomorrow no more fasting, so eating all day. Alright, just picked her up. Now drop her home. Chandrat Mubarak. Alright, walking over to the gym. My body's already sore. My leg is sore from my Monday's workout, so I'm not sure how well I will be able to do.
Come on, Atul. Come on, Atul. Let's go. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's all apart. Oh no, let me rewind it. Is it? Yeah, rewind it. 8. 3, 2, 1 more. That's it. Hold on. 4, 5, 6. Just came up from workout. It was very intense, so it's time for me to open this. Once I bought it, I didn't even touch it. There was everything there. See. Comes with a dust bag for this little Gucci. But I'm more of like a simple. I don't like print it all over except for the Louis Vuitton card holder that I have. That one I have LV on it. But I like simple logo like this, so that's why I went with this. And plus black, you can't go wrong with it. I'm currently using the Burberry one. Again, I think the Burberry, when I bought it, I didn't go with the regular checker print because I kind of like this. It's with this. I don't want it to show off like Barbie all the way. It's something, I like that, you know. So this one with Gucci, I went with this more of like antique looking. I like that. This is my style. Like I want like more slits here, 2 slits and 2 over here, and then 1 over here, because sometimes I have cash that I fold it and I just put it in here. I guess I'll be using this for tomorrow or from tomorrow.
Bayar. Wow, Mother's Day again?
Again, Mother's Day you were at work.
Yeah, he was working. I like it. I think this is for
Like, of course. After 30 days of fasting, Muslim people finally get to celebrate today with food, family, and all that. So Eid Mubarak to all of you. I feel so blessed. So I got ready with my first outfit that I go to pray with on my way, getting up the car, on my way to pray. So try to show you as much as possible. I'm not going to vlog anything in the mosque because you know, we're gonna have to wear masks. I don't feel comfortable, you know, so I will show as much as is possible. Okay, come along. So right here is the mosque. It's called Madani Masjid. This is where I come to pray for the Eid. So one of the prayer has been started already. This is the 8 o'clock. So this is the Eid morning kind of brunch. Breakfast and lunch mixed together. They're all showing off their clothes and
and jewelry.
They got jewelry yesterday from, that's it, from her. She gave jewelry to them, earrings. This is Neha's dress, that from Neha Rahman.
Yes, made by Neha.
Something exclusive, it's not available. This is my plate. I took kebab, some beef, salad, and we eat with our hand. We gotta eat with this hand. Let's eat. It's hot, super hot.
I was like, this is my snorkel. Why I'm not gonna wear it?
The bowl of bibbidi bop.
So our dessert, we have more Indian dessert. This is the pastry I picked up. I just took a slice of the cheesecake and this peach tart. Peach tart. It's really good. Sweet and a little bit tangy. Not so much. Huge piece of peach. Our friend is here, our guest is here. Our guest. Alia? Eid Mubarak, Alia.
Yes, we do. You know how to do dancing?
Good morning, guys. So that was our Eid. We just want you guys to have some idea about our Eid and how we are celebrating during this time. Back in the normal days, we would have people, over in our house, and then at nighttime we would just hopping. This time we kept it very limited house so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around, you will see some more videos. I have some travels coming up, so can't wait to document those and show you guys. Take care, guys.